You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is x smaller than 4. Let's solve it step by step. Swap sides. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Subtract 3 from both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by 4. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Remove the ones. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is x smaller than 4.